If you want to make this drop down read only, then you will face some challenges. Like if you will do the disable, then the problem with the disable is that during the form submission, this field, the value of this field will not be submitted. So in this case, you need to use input field, means hidden input field, where the value of the select box will be available. So during the form submission, the value of the drop down in this way, because through the hidden input the value will be submitted. But if requirement is to only restrict the user to make this in this select box read only, then you will face some challenges. You will found that the read only will not work in this case. So how to make it like no one can change any value and make it like read only? So let's try to do that. So first and foremost, you need to use the CSS and some attribute to make it happen. So I am going to first and foremost, we will select the select box through the selector, query selector, and then we will add some CSS and some attribute. You can see here that ID is test, so accordingly we can select the selector, and then you need to add the CSS here. So we will use the style, and then we will use pointer events, and the pointer event will be here none. So after making the pointer event none, you can see here that whenever I am clicking, nothing is happening, means the event is not occur here. So it is working perfectly fine. But the problem with this pointer event none is when you will use the tab. For example, if you click the tab, then you will able to change the value. So you can see here that 1, 2, test 1, 2, 3, it is changing. But if you want to restrict the user to change their value, then you also need to use some other things. Like here you need to use the tab index. So again I am selecting this query and adding some attribute here. So we will use here the set attribute. It comes from the vanilla JavaScript, set and attribute. You can see here, and here this is the functions, and this will take two parameter. One is the attribute and another one is their value. Okay, so value should be -1, and the name will be tab index. So now this is not able to, I am not able to change through the mouse or through the pointer, but let's try to use the tab keyword. So just I am pressing the tab, and you can see here that this select box is skipped through the tab. It means no one is able to select because tab index is -1. It means this will be skipped. So in this way you can make it like a read only. However, read only will not support it for the select box, but if your requirement is to make the button read only, because there are many requirement, and somewhere we need to use this functionality where you need to make the button read only. You can make through a disable attribute, but the problem is that when the form will submit, then that particular value will not get submitted. That's the issue. However, you can also avoid these things through the hidden value, but this is, I think this approach will be the good approach, where through this approach we can make it read only. So I hope you understand. If you face any problem, then definitely let us know.